guys. I thought I would talk to you a little bit about what we're going to do in writing class this week. So, first of all, in writing class this week, we have two things that we have to accomplish. The first thing is an interview. At the end of this, you guys are going to be conducting an interview where you're going to find someone. It could be a parent or a friend, or you could call grandma on the phone or someone, aunt and uncle on the phone, and you're going to interview them. That means you're going to ask them questions about a topic. Our topic is the coronavirus, which has been a topic on everyone's mind for a long time. So today, what your goal is you are going to research some information or facts about coronavirus. So you're going to ask, well, where am I going to get this information about coronavirus? Well, just down below from this little video, I attached some documents that you can click on to get some information about the coronavirus. Also, in the Time for Kids magazine that you guys have access to, you just have to click the little link. You can read in the Time for Kids article about the coronavirus. So what I'd like you to do is write down 5 facts. All right, so write 5 facts about the virus. That way, when you interview someone, you know some information about the virus already. All right, so number 1, you're going to research some information. Once you've done that, the second task or the second part of this is that you are going to write 10 questions you might ask the person you are interviewing. Now remember, your questions have to be pretty specific. You don't want to get a yes or no answer. You're not going to say, do you have the coronavirus? They're going to say no. Or do you know anybody that has the coronavirus? No or yes. Ask them a question that is not a yes or no answer, a question that they're going to have to really think about. Now, you're not interviewing anybody yet. You're just writing the questions down. So once you have the questions down, I need you to email them to me. I included my email address down below, so if you don't know how to get to my email, go ahead and just click on it right there and you can email me. So email me the 10 questions. I want to see your questions first and go over them and make sure they're good and see if there's any way we can make them better. But remember, these are questions. So you're going to have to use question marks and you need 10 of them. So you're going to write 10 questions that you are going to ask or write to somebody or ask someone during an interview. Okay, so that's the second thing. Whoa, come back. It was crazy. All right, the third thing you need to do this week is stop. The third thing you need to do this week is you're going to go onto iExcel and you are going to continue the tasks that you started working on last time or yesterday. So you're going to go ahead and click on that link again. I'm going to go ahead and put it down below. Click on that link and keep practicing that iExcel. Whatever score you have, the best score that you have by Friday is the score that you're getting your grade on. So if you only get to 60% on this skill, that's what your grade's going to be. If you get to 100, your grade's going to be 100. If you get to 90, your grade's going to be 90. So I know that after you miss a question, it bumps you back, but go ahead and keep going. Keep trying to get as far as you can. You have until Friday. Friday, I'm going to go into the iExcel program, collect all the grades, and put them in the grade book. Okay? So you're going to get 2 grades this week. One for your interview questions which we'll have more done by Thursday on them, and then your IXL grade. So the 10 questions you're turning in today are not going to be your grade. Your grade is going to be something you do a little bit later this week. But you need to have your 10 questions first and your 5 facts about the virus. If you guys have any questions, email me, let me know, and I'm happy to help you. All right? Have a good one, guys. I miss you all so much. Talk to you later.